Hello everyone.
Hello.
Before I introduce, my name is Gede Andre Aditya with name 2111 0210 and 6 from 1A class Denpasar. Today I will discuss with my friend name is Gede Nik Laksmana with name 2111 0210 and 8 from class 1A Denpasar. How are you, Denny?
I'm good, Andre. How are you too?
Uh, I'm good too. May we are always be give safety and health wherever we are.
Yes, that's right, Andre. I hope this COVID-19 pandemic will pass quickly.
Today our discussion with them is about online games or traditional games that are the most memorable during the current pandemic. People live in Bali have cultural diversity, ranging from traditional ceremonies as well as the beauty and uniqueness of culture in Bali. So, do not be surprised if many tourists come to Bali to enjoy the uniqueness and culture of the island of Bali. One of Balinese culture is a very unique traditional game. Traditional games are part of Balinese life. The game is an activity that can make someone feel happy and very exciting to the from children to adult. The characteristic of traditional games are very easy to understand and play, but still have their own characteristic according to the function of the game. For the example, the rules of the game that are made are not difficult songs from Bali, so that they are very easy to hear and memorize by the Balinese people. Besides that, there are also variations in playing them and do not use a lot of equipment. There are many types of traditional Balinese games such as meong meong, congklak, curi-curi, gala-gala, malingan, mangkep-engkeban, gasing, tajok, cak-cak, deduplak, and many more. But along with the times, the existence of traditional Balinese games began to decline in the interest of children. This is due to the rapid progress of technology development in urban and rural areas. Therefore, children prefer to play online games because there are more exciting nowadays. Well, Denny, we see that today children are more engrossed in playing online games than playing traditional game. What is your view on this? Do you pro or contra this statement and include your reason. Tulis apa?
Well, Andre, it is true that technology in today's world is getting more
Deng.
sophisticated, especially in Balinese society. Children prefer online games because they are easier to do, because they only require an internet network. And online games can be done anywhere and anytime. Because we see that children now have their own cell phones. From that cell phone, they can also install online games. And now it's very easy to do.
Sorry, Denny. I do not agree with your opinion because traditional games are actually really fun to play with other friends in person. If we look at online games, we don't play with friends, but not face to face. It is very difficult to see the experience of friend. If it is done continuously, then the social bond with friend directly may not be too close.
Sorry, Andre.
Yes.
I don't agree with your statement. Online games also build social bonds, such as cooperation in games to win the game. Especially in the midst of this COVID-19 outbreak, where we are required to keep our distance. So, is online game is one of the most effective alternative games today.
Well, Danny, I understand the current situation, which must maintain a distance to avoid the current COVID-19 pandemic. But in reality, it will cause other problems, such as a lack of sense to understand with friends, because we only meet in cyberspace and interact only by talking through the mic in online game. And today's children are also less familiar with traditional Balinese games, ranging from how to play and songs in traditional Balinese games. However, the online games is accompanied by songs, only the songs from abroad.
It is also right, Andre.
Yes.
There are indeed many problems related to this. Because of the influence of technology and indeed the current trend is very fast,
Yes.
especially in today's games.
Mm.
It is true that now children have broad cell phones and are filled with online games. Compared to the past when children did not carry cell phones, which caused traditional Balinese games to become entertainment to seek pleasure and excitement for the Balinese people.
That's alright, Tenik, and we can relate it to the teaching of the Hindu religion, namely is Trihita Karana, one of which is Pawongan, meaning a harmonious relationship with fellow human beings. Today's children lack the ability to interact with their friends.
Well, Andre,
Yes.
it's true that in online games we don't have a harmonious relationship with our friends because we only interact in cyberspace and don't meet in person. And indeed, traditional games are more exciting because they are played with other friends.
Well, Denny, what I can conclude in the debate is that online games are fun to do because there are so many variants and types of games that can be installed on each of our cell phones. However, traditional games are very diverse and have meanings such as we learn to sing Balinese songs, relationship with friends are also harmonious, and also we become closer to friends. In then, we are currently being hit by the COVID-19 pandemic. So, online games are more effective for children to play because the of health protocol, but the health protocols, but still accompanied by learning. But we all have an obligation to introduce traditional games to the younger generation. In then, technological progress is currently growing rapidly. Therefore, let's together preserve Balinese culture, especially traditional Balinese games, so that they are still known by Balinese children.
Okay.
That is our debate video about online games or traditional games that are effective during the current COVID-19 pandemic. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. See you and goodbye.
Goodbye.
Bye.